back, dear students, all of you. Yesterday I could not take class because of some emergency, and that is why I kept this class today at 4 p.m. And thank you so much for joining it on time. And I was telling you something about this process is not a one-way process, communication process. We have to talk to with both, means the speaker as well as the listener, isn't it? Sometimes I would be speaker, you would be listener. Sometimes you would be speaker, I would be listener, isn't it?
Sir,
Yes, Ritvik.
sir, your voice is not coming.
Voice is not coming. Means I'm not audible.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Kadambari, you may also switch off your video. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now let us go for that journey. We are going to start now, and that is of the situational based dialogues. Again, today I would meet four students, right? Leaving me, there are four students, and there in the dialogue, situation based dialogues, there are also we see two people only. Please turn off your video, Sadhika. Turn off your video. Yeah. So let us start with our journey. Okay. One second. Hello. Can you see the screen? Can you see the screen? Can you see the screen? Am I audible there?
Sir, I cannot see the screen.
Cannot see the screen. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir, now.
okay. Now we had seen 2-3 situation based dialogues that day at the post office. Then we had gone for what? The doctors. And after that, we were in buying a shirt where the customer and shop assistant were in conversation, isn't it? Now let us understand the next dialogue situation, which is almost here, and that is about to roam in the market and talk to the shopkeepers, right? So at the market, do you go to market with the parents or any elders?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Visited, na? Market you visit, na? Huh? The market
Yes,
you visit.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so this is the market-based situation where the customers are talking. Can you see this? See this picture? The customers are talking to the shopkeeper. Now let us understand this one. Okay, so Janki and Surendra, these two people, and shop assistant is also involved in this communication. Also Surendra, sorry, not Surendra, counter clerk is also involved here, okay, in the communication process. So we need three people we need. Okay, so
Sir, can I?
Kadambari,
Can I?
Kadambari,
Sir, Sir.
Sadhika
Yes, sir.
and
Yes, sir.
Saket. Kadambari, Sadhika and Saket would be there. Okay. So Kadambari would be
Okay.
Janki. Sadhika would be uh, a clerk. Okay. Saket would be Surendra and Rutvik would be the clerk, counter clerk. Did you get it?
Yes,
Okay, sir.
sir.
So
Uh,
Janki will
Shop
start.
assistant, sir.
You are shop assistant would be Saket, na? No, no. Who
Yes,
is there?
sir.
No, Kadambari is Janki. Surendra is Saket.
Yes, sir.
Surendra is Saket. Sadhika would be shop assistant, and Rutvik would be counter clerk. Okay. So Janki start.
Yes, sir. Why why don't we come to the market more often?
I don't find it
Indra,
enjoyable place.
Surendra,
Sir, I read, sir. Hello, sir.
yes.
Hello, sir. Sir, can
Hello.
you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
Sir, can you? Okay. I don't find it a very enjoyable place.
But I do. I want to come here every day.
I'm here every day. Then who stops you? You have nothing better to do.
Now don't shout. Dear, I didn't say I will come here every day. I said I want to come here.
Let's not argue anymore. Let's quickly do the shopping and go home. The children must be getting impatient.
Okay, here's the shopping list. We will go. Sorry, we will first buy trolleys and grocery, and then go to the vegetable stall.
That's
Stop.
right. Let's go to the department store next door.
What can I do for you, madam?
We are new to this store. The 2 minutes, and we don't know where things are. Can you tell us where the grocery are and the trolley?
And toiletries.
For
Okay.
the groceries, turn right, madam, and then walk straight on until you come to the end of the corridor. And for toiletries, just turn left and you walk right into them.
Thanks.
I want these 15 items. Please make me the bill quickly.
I'll take only a minute, sir. Here's the bill.
Most of the vegetable I wanted to buy are still. Some of them are even rotten. You should have thrown them away.
Sorry, madam. In fact, yesterday the wholesale market was closed, so we couldn't bring in fresh supplies.
But that doesn't mean you should sell rotten vegetable.
Sorry, madam.
Okay. Now see whatever the dialogue through which we have gone.
I won't come to this place again.
Not until next week. Bye.
So we have seen the dialogues. We have read the dialogues. Now understanding the conversation. Some questions are written there. 4 people are taking part in this conversation. Who are they?
Sir, can I tell?
So can I?
Yes.
Chanakya, Surendra, a shop assistant and counter clerk.
Very nice. Those who are giving answers, they would not repeat them. Repeat means okay. They would not give the answer for other questions. Okay.
Sir,
Till I ask.
can I say for the second one?
Sir, can I say?
Conversation take place. The second half of the conversation takes place in one part of the market. Where does it take place? Yes, Saket.
Sir, I will be saying for third one, sir.
Second. You say. Tell me second one.
Okay. The conversation took place in the market, sir. The second half of the conversation takes place in the vegetable place, sir. Vegetables place.
Sir, can I tell third?
Yes.
Janki want to buy groceries and trolley.
Has Janki been to this department store before? Who will tell this? This one. Let me know first. Sadika. Fourth question. Sadika, fourth question.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, has Janaki been to this department store before? And the answer is no.
No. Does Janki like the vegetables in the department store, and why doesn't she like?
Sir, can
Janaki,
I tell?
Ah, yes, you
Jan- No, Janki doesn't like vegetables in department store because they were rotten.
okay. So words and expressions. Argue means what? Ritvik, it is written there. See, argue means
Whereas
quarrel. Impatient, the person who cannot.
unable to
Toiletries, articles used in dressing, such as a hairbrush, comb, and mirror, talcum powder, etc. Toiletries. Okay. Groceries, the food articles and general small household requirements. Department store, that is a large shop divided into departments. Each department sells a different kind of goods. And stale means the things which are not fresh, they are pale. Read this. Communicating. What is given in which dialogue? Apologizing. Uh, in this way, we can apologize. Okay. This one also, the way to apologize. After that, we'll see the grammar and usage. If you're not getting anything, please ask. How can we apologize? At the market, Janki complained about the rotten vegetables. The clerk at the counter apologized. She said, "Sorry, madam. Okay, this is the apology. When we have caused trouble to someone, listen to me very carefully. Huh? When we caused trouble to someone, we want to apologize to the person. The most common way of doing this is to say, I'm sorry. Whenever you do something wrong to someone, so immediately you say, I'm sorry. Let us study a few expressions that can be used for apology. Like sorry, this is informal. Only saying sorry is informal. I'm sorry. This expression can be used in most situations. I'm really very so sorry, ever sorry. Okay. These expressions show the intensity of our apology. Means how deeply you are feeling or deeply you are regretting for doing something wrong. Like I just don't know what to say. I can't tell you how sorry I am. Okay. And if you want to accept this these apologies, Ritvik, why are you playing with that? You're not listening to me. If you want to accept the apology, you may say this like, don't worry, not to worry, don't worry. Okay. Have you got it? Yes. You're sleeping. Ritvik, are you sleeping? Then what is written? Can you read it?
Don't worry, not to worry, don't worry about it. That's all right, forget.
So what are all are these?
They are the words how that we can apologize.
Yes. Okay. So did you get it all?
For apologizing, we can say sorry or don't worry, or next time we won't do it.
Okay. Now these are some situations. These. How do you apologize them?
Sir, can I read it?
Ah, yes. Okay. I'll be sending this PDF to you. Okay.